You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian. You got tons of them. This is Italian for an abbey in Italy. So if you're visiting Italy, you'll probably come across what's called in Italian an abbazia. Abbazia, because you have double B, make it twice as long. Abba, you need to stress on the B. Abbazia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.